Good day, everyone. In this video about Kyle's review, so we are talking about some new things that I noticed about the LEP curriculum, no? So may napansin akong bago. So they've been napansin ko lang the last I think a couple of I think they've really focused on the major ship. So yun lang, ingat kayo dyan. So next time for future teachers, so let's prioritize the major ship because that's what I noticed. So there's a shift towards that one. So Gen Ed will be Gen Ed, pero I hope you could prioritize major ship, especially the MAPE major. So ingat kayo. So it's been hindi na siya masyadong parang fill in the blanks type of multiple. No. It's all about metacognitive questions. So you have to practice on problem solving, how to figure things out. So ayun yung mga dapat nyong i-emphasize pagdating sa inyong mga board exams. So tapos ano ba? Do not procrastinate. So if you are reviewing now, you have to start your review. So you have to prioritize, like I said, you have to go back to the major ship kasi yung time ko, mahirap ang sa Prof Ed mahirap. Ngayon kasi I notice medyo binibigyan nila ng emphasis pagdating sa major ship. So I don't know if I am also the one that I noticed. Pero hindi eh. So see, don't worry. This page will also have a major ship. So I am a MAPE major. So I will do my best to support you with that one. So yun lang naman. That's all for it. So abangan niyo yung mga susunod kong video. Abangan niyo yung mga susunod kong upload. So in this YouTube kasi will be focusing on the Prof Ed. Sa Facebook ko naman will be the General Ed. YouTube ko Prof Ed and Major Ship. Diyan yan. So marami, nakakatawa nga eh. Kasi biruin nyo, 20%, ang dami-dami scope ng ang dami-dami niyang scope, pero 20% lang siya. Samantalang yung Prof Ed na, marami rin naman, pero it's not as vast as Gen Ed. So, yun na naman. So, the Facebook page will be focusing more on the Gen Ed. Sa YouTube ko will be focusing more of the Prof Ed and the major ship. Sige, yun lang naman muna sa ngayon. So, pasensya na, nade-delay kasi nabibusy rin ako. I cannot adjust my schedule yet. I have not finalized what I would upload, but I'm working with it. So, thank you for listening. Thank you. God bless.